This is my project folder called e-commerce app. You can go to the project folder. You can go to the project folder. Hope project is set up for everyone. If you have not set up, then you can use the old folder. But in old folder, the folder will be difficult for you. Set up the name project. If it is not ready, you can set up the name. Okay, whoever has set up, they should continue now. You can go to your project folder that is called e-commerce application you have made. Under the e-commerce folder, you have a project one or maybe e-commerce app you have. Here we'll open the CMD. We'll open CMD. CMD we can open, and after opening the CMD, in your project folder, you will write here npm install Bootstrap. npm install Bootstrap. प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर के अंदर so we are under the project folder only, no? E-commerce project is inside. We can write here npm install Bootstrap. Okay, ready. After that, again we will install here npm install react hyphen router hyphen DOM. npm install react router DOM. Yeah, hello. Yeah. We will call it piano house and we'll give the details. What's going on? So React router DOM installation is ready. After that, Bootstrap installation is done. After that, your project setup is ready. Next, we have to create the components. Multiple component we need to create, like home page. It's kind of a e-commerce application, mini e-commerce application. Add to cart functionality will come, product listing will come, view product will come. Okay, there will be, you can say, order list will come, product upload, vendor registration, vendor login, all completely end to end. But few places there will be limitation that we cannot do like Flipkart, but remaining we can do like Flipkart. Okay, so go ahead. Next, after this, which commands? It's a written here, no? npm install bootstrap, npm install react router DOM. It's here. You can try here. This line is written here. Keep a note also. We should write a note as well. How to install the bootstrap, npm install bootstrap, how to install the react router DOM, npm install react router DOM. Okay, ready. After this, let's write code space dot enter. VS Code will get open. Okay, so VS Code is open. Next, after that, we have to create the some components. Okay, so what component? First, suppose when you open a e-commerce website, you will see the list of product, right? List of product. So those list of product will come from where? It will come from the backend. So for that, JSON server will be required. We will set up the JSON server also, but not today, maybe tomorrow. Today, what we are going to do, we are going to create a navigation. That navigation will have, you can say, a home page, navigation with the home page, right? Then on when the user will come open the project, they will see the home page, list of the product will come, they can buy from there, they can get from there, right? So those stuff we will be implementing the home page. Then there will be so many options one by one. So let us go first and create a component. All will create under SRC folder. Create a component, give component call home header or maybe main header. Main header.js, one component. Main header.js. Main header.js. Main header.js file is ready. This will be as a navigation. This is going to be as a navigation. Okay, like when the home page will open, there will be home, cart, vendor register, vendor login, something. So for that, let's import React and then use state. This will be completely based on functional component. Use state from React. Use state we are not going to use today only. We will be using from the next when we come inside. Now write here const main header. Export default main header. Export default main header. Under the main header, return a division, not division, keep the empty tag because here we are going to add the navigation. Ready? Home header. Now here you can write H1 main header. Main header. Next, after that, main header. After that, main header is ready. In that, we will add the navigation. Next, after coming back, after creating one more component, we have to create a next component called home.js. Home.js. Create a next file called home.js. Home.js. Hope ready. Home.js. In home.js, again we have to import the React and this thing. Import main header. Main header. Import main header from /main header. After that, we will write here call const home. Let's keep my home. Const my home equal to return empty tag open close, and in beginning there will be main header. Main header. After that you will write h2 home page. Product list will come here. Home page product list will come here. Export.
Sir, home page spell.
Home page. Export default my home. So what we created a component called header separate, and instead of making the home page as more overloaded, we call the header inside this page. So under the home page, we'll have a functionality of only listing, product listing, add to cart, remaining other. Okay. So those will Come inside only. So hope completed till here. Okay, hope ready. After a certain time interval, we will move to the next page. So hope everyone have written. So what we did, we created a header component. Header component will have a navigation. Now those navigation we imported under the which file? Home file. Now home file have home.js as a component name called my home. My home will go to the app file. So when the my home will go to the app file, along with my home, how many component will go? 2 component will go. My home is the one, along with that main header also, like navigation. So hope you have done. Let us come to the app.js file. I have imported this all the links here. You can also import because those all are going to useful only. Those all we are going to follow. So we have to import here now. Import, what is the component name? My home. My home from home.js file. And at this place, use here called my home. This line I can share in the chat. In app.js file, if anything extra is written, delete all and add this much. New project will have many things, so you can delete everything. And I have shared the code in the chat as well. You can add that. Once you complete, at least once you can ping me. Yes, completed. We'll move next. It will be very good if you are logging in both the devices, mobile also and laptop also, because sometime when you face a lot of problem, we can share the code and you can use directly code. that can help you more. Okay, ready? Now you can start your server and check once both the file are loading or not. npm start you can do and check home file and header both are loading or not. We are already under the CMD. We can do here npm start. It should load us. It should display us.
Working, sir.
It gives error.
Error. Check what is the error, because we have not written any functionality. Just created the component and called it.
Use state not in use. Use state error.
Mine is also starting, so we'll wait for 1 minute. Hmm? So hope look like this. This is called main header and this is called product listing page. Okay. Next, after that, we have to design the header file. Not working, that meaning you have just attended the classes. You have not spent 1 hour even extra. Okay. For anyone, for me also, for you also, for everyone. In this, we have not done anything very high-fi. Created the component and loaded the page. I have shared 3 files. Whoever are not able to run, they can use that file. Okay, go ahead next. Component is ready. Component is ready. Okay. Now in this component, the navigation header, they will take from the Bootstrap. Bootstrap installation is already done. Now question is where to get that navigation code. Navigation code we required. Okay. That navigation code we have to take from anywhere. Then only we can implement inside the header file. So this is the header file, main header. Under the main header, at this place, the navigation code has to come. So how to get that, where it is available? Okay. How to get that, where it is available? Let me guide you. Installation is already done. Now we require the sample code, right? So let's open the W3, everyone. W3 schools Bootstrap 5. Click on that. Search in Google W3 schools, Bootstrap 5. Direct this link will come. We'll go there. We'll go here. W3 directly. In that, we need to go to the navigation, Navbar, I guess. Navbar, we need to go. Left hand side, click the navbar. Navbar will appear. We require a navigation like this. So let me come down. Which one is that? There will be many navigation, but we need to take the those that is suitable. This is the one. This one we required. Please find out this one. Bar and button. Which one you are finding? This one, Navbar and buttons.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Come down. You have a code here. Nav to nav we can see. We require to copy that nav to nav. And remember in React, there is no any property called class. We have property called class name. So we need to copy this and go here, remove the H1. In main header file, paste that. In main header file, we need to add that. After adding that, okay. After adding that, what we have to change? Class should get replaced by class name because there is no such property called class in React. We have a property called class name. So without saving the file, everywhere you have to replace the class with the class name. How you will replace? Your wish, but we have to replace all the places. Class by class name there. N will be capital. There N will be capital. N will be capital. Carefully you will replace class with class name. It's taking 2 minutes, no problem. Replace it slowly.
Sir, we can use change all occurrence shortcut.
That's what I told you. Whichever the method you have, you can use that. Individual will have their own way. So you can follow your own way to replace it. Class should get replaced by class name. Okay, input should have a slash in the last. Input should have a slash in the last.
Form class also, class method.
Form class.
Form class equal to D plus.
Okay. So anyway, we will be removing the form. Form is not required here. But now let it be. So all the places class got replaced by class name. You can check your page properly. Everywhere should get replaced. Input should have a slash in the last that we have given. After that, we check if all is fine. We can run the browser and check navigation is coming or not. Bootstrap file we have not included. Yes, so first we'll add it. Then we have to include the bootstrap. As of now, bootstrap is not included, no? So it will not give proper navigation. It will give just something here there. It will give something like this. Search box will come, something here there will come. Okay. So let's modify this. Check your header page is loading, then we will work on. Replace all the okay. So hope ready. Now we need to go to the app.index.js file. In index.js file, we have to load the bootstrap. So your app is ready. Inside the app, my home you are calling. Under home you are calling main header, and under the main header, hope you have modified that. Right. So come to the index.js file. Under index.js file, you have to import here the bootstrap now. Import bootstrap /dist /css bootstrap.main.css bootstrap.main.css. Import this line. Okay. Bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. I will share this line also in the chat. So this line came in your chat. Use that line.
Working, sir.
Navigation should appear in your page. Black color navigation on the top. Something like this.
It gives error me at form and due and name. Main header, sir.
Hmm. What you want to do in main header?
सर वहाँ पे error दे रहा है सर form due और new पे new tag पे.
We have no any error.
Sir, have you import anything in a main header? Form.
This is the code total. Okay, so main header is coming. Now under the main header, there will be one small logo here. There will be some links here with some icons. Okay, so come to the main header file now. Here is written ahref javascript something. So this href is not required. Remove that. And here we can add a React shopping app. React shopping app, we can add a heading. We can call a icon here. So you can see the header got appear here. Now next, after that, there should be link. href we don't require. We will remove it later. href will get replaced by link tag. So as of now, a tag let it be. href you remove. Right here call home, first text, second text shopping, third text my cart, keep one more li, keep one more li, that is called vendor login and vendor register. Vendor means seller. The seller who want to buy and sell, they can log in. They can register. Check now, something like this. See the project class, what is going on? The project class, you must present there, okay? If you think like I will log in 1 hour late, I'll take recording, I will not give recording. Project I'm doing for your purpose. Okay, it is your task, but I am spending the time along with you. So it is your 100% compulsory to be on time and don't miss the classes. Recording is not going to come anywhere. You will not get the video and all the project. Just I'm recording simply, will not give you. You must attend it regularly. Okay, so hope font awesome is opened. Go here, click on W3. Here one link is there. We can copy this link. I will share you this link in your chat also. Someone is coming, going, coming, going. Some people log in 8 o'clock, some people log in 9 o'clock. What is this?
Index.html.
One person log in just now. M. Bilal. Mohammed Bilal you log in just now. Why you log in now? Now tomorrow after 8:15 you cannot log in. Next year. Tomorrow after 8:15 I will disable the login. Before 8:15 there must be there. If you want to do project, you must log in on time. And don't go and come, go and come. Be present always. Okay. So hope you have copied this line. I have shared in the chat as well. This line we have to paste in public folder index.html file. Go to your public folder in index.html file. You need to paste that line here. That line you can paste here in public folder index.html file. You need to paste that line. This is directly CDN. It will connect directly from the server and it will give you the icon.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
sir, this link was, why not you put in index.js?
It is
Confused.
directly a link. You're not doing import here. You're doing import you will do from the server. This is directly linking. So link with tag will not work in JS file. Link tag will work in HTML file.
Okay.
Okay, so hope we have added. Come to the main header file. Under the main header file, this is the main header file. After adding this line, you should save the file as well. Public index.html file, you have added this line, save it. This is called CDN. CDN meaning is what? Directly linking of a particular library from the server. You have not downloaded in your system, directly you given the link. So it will, at runtime, it will create a connection and it will execute. At runtime, it will create a connection and it will execute. Now we'll come to the main header.js file. Under the main header.js file, home you have written. Before that, there should be home link. Home icon should be there. So for that, I tag open close and give one space first. Remember, everywhere, wherever you display the icon must have some space. After closing that, you should give some space. So for I, we have to write class equal to class or class name. It is not HTML and CSS, it is React. Class name will come here. Class name equal to FA hyphen home. So after closing the I tag, space is compulsory. Else the icon and text will be together. You will not find a space. Shopping FA shopping hyphen cart. Cart we have here. Here also we can display the cart. Or maybe you can check some other icon and display here. For now, I will add as a shopping cart only. Next, vendor login will have a lock symbol, FA lock, and then vendor create account will have FA user plus. FA user plus. So it is going to give you the plus sign.
Working, sir.
Menu icons should come there. See, icons are coming. It look like inactive because it is not under the link tag. href is not there. E we have followed, but href we have not given, so it look like inactive. Okay, next we have React shopping app. Before that also one shopping icon we can display. So let me see the shopping icons. What are the icons are there? payment. Okay, let us search here. Okay, we have here shopping cart plus. Okay, this should go to the cart. We have written here shopping cart hyphen plus. Shopping cart hyphen plus. Shopping plus icon is coming. Bootstrap.
Last name is yes, sir. I guess. Written FAS.
So for me, icon is not coming, and the page there is no error also. It is loading, but there is no icon.
Sir, same here.
Remove the shopping, sir. It will come. FAFA cart plus. That's it. Cart hyphen plus.
FA cart hyphen plus.
Okay, I have done the same thing.
Okay, we can add one more here. Icon in the beginning. What else icon we have for shopping?
My card icon is not coming.
चेक करो आप and check it. Icon is you have learned no in CSS Bootstrap. Do find out internet what icon you want to display. Shopping cart we have displayed here. Shopping cart. Okay. This is the fifth one. Okay. So FAFA star we can display there, or this one shopping bag. Shopping bag will be okay. In front of here, the brand icon we are given here. Brand icon we are given. There we can display a icon called this one, shopping bag. I write here class name. Class name, what is that class name? Class name is shopping bag. If his shopping bag is available or not sure. Let me check once. Leave we are not yet. Leave for FAS is not coming. So shopping bag FA, let it be FA. Shopping hyphen bag is there or something else? Okay, so FAS we can remove, we can give only FA. FA shopping bag. Give FA shopping bag. And this should be in orange color or yellow color. So text hyphen warning is a class of Bootstrap. Using that, we can change the text into yellow color. This line we can add. FA shopping bags. FA shopping bag.
Working, sir.
Okay, this is okay now. So navigation is ready. Now we need to work for this one, call it the product list. So in product list, what should happen is it should display multiple products in one line. Maybe 4 products we can display in one line. Okay. We can create the 4 product and display in one line. Okay, so hope happening. You are able to. Ajit, why you have installed the npm React Bootstrap v5? We need to install the npm install Bootstrap. Number 2, you came half an hour late. Message was sent yesterday only, no? Even in the morning only I told the project class 8 o'clock we need to log in. See, it is not even your problem, even my problem also. Human mentality is we forget our responsibility and we start fighting for our right. Okay. Responsibility says like I should be on time, I should not be late. Correct. Then if everything is well, then we fight for our right. Yes, I was on time. Why not happen for me? Why did I happen for me? Why I am not able to do this one? Then if responsibility is okay, then fighting for right is fine. But if responsibility is lacked, then you will not have right to fight. Okay. So what these people have installed, you don't know. They have installed only npm install Bootstrap. You are trying with the Bootstrap 5. If you do npm install Bootstrap, automatically for version 5 will come. There is no need to mention npm install v5. Official, whichever the version is released officially, that will come. npm will bring that. Little your punctuality is also required here. Okay, I will share the folder in the last. This is the command you should run. Okay, this much I have sent yesterday. Hope you have received that in the WhatsApp. I will write again what are the things you are supposed to do. The 5th number, npm install Bootstrap. Next, we have done call npm install react hyphen router hyphen DOM. Next, after that, after doing this all, add this line in index.html in public folder. Okay. Those steps again I share you in the chat. Okay, in that React app was written, e-commerce React app was written, A should be a small. Here by mistake I have written React app, you can keep as a small. E-commerce app, you can keep as a small. This line. Remaining all are Bella only. I will share the file also, src folder also. After some time, once we are finishing. If not running, then wait for some time. I will share you src folder, or now only I can share the src folder. You can use that. See, company hire the developer for what purpose? To develop the project. So if that is too easy, if assume that is too easy to develop, then the company people will have so many family, friends, relatives, correct? They are nearby people. They can give one project to everyone and say, hi, evening time, while doing the lunch, please develop it. Why they will hire well-educated engineer, well-experienced, well-trained people? It's complex work. So for that, dedication, time, understanding, skills, all are required. Okay, src folder I have sent. Whoever are not able to implement, you have already done the project setup. You can do install again, follow the step number 5 and 6 and replace the src folder and then get ready. Okay, so hope ready till here. You are replacing the folder, please replace it. After replacing, come to the home.js file. See, in home.js file, data has to come. So now we will create a temporary file. In that, here only, not temporary file, here only will add directly the list of product. 2-3 product will add in one line, at least 4 product will add in one line. Next week, once we finish the API part and all, then we will bring the data and display here. Like once we finish the designing part, then we'll bring and display the data. So when the project will open, it will look like this. Here you will have some certain product, okay, by default now. So for that, come to the home file. Before going to the home file, in your public folder, in your SRC and public folder, keep there 5 photos nearly. I will share this file photos. If you don't have, you can use these photos. Any photo you can use. If you have photo, then well. If you don't have photo, download the photo I sent you and keep in your public folder. Keep minimum 4 photos at least, so that one line product we can make ready. Okay, hope ready. Photos you kept under the public folder. Come to your home file now. In home file, you will follow the rule regulation of Bootstrap. Division, class name, container, empty5. Empty5 is nothing but it will say margin top 48 pixel. Empty5 is margin top 48 pixel is from the Bootstrap. Will follow a division, class name equal to row, next division, class name equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3 and mb3 also. Inside that row level, not only column level, on row level you apply the text center so that everything will print in the middle. Right here one h4 apple green, class name text primary. Below you will display a photo ing src equal to, directly we can write here 1.jpg. It is available in your public folder and class name equal to img float rounded. A class, a title is required alternate. In case photo is not there, what to come? Alt equal to I given call apple. After this image, in a paragraph, we can display here. This is completely short description about product or customer. Below to that, you will use another del tag. Under the del tag, you will write rupees 400 per kg. After that, you will use INS tag. INS tag is INS. On internet, you have seen old price and offer price. Old price, suppose product was being sold in the 300, but offer is going on. In offer, it says like 350 only per kg. Del will come underline, INS will come as a, del will come cross, INS will come as a underline. Yes. Something like this, old price and new price. We can make it red. We can keep both in one paragraph because both are the single line element. And for paragraph, we can do some alignment, will be more helpful. This both you can keep inside a del should be red color, text hyphen danger, M3. This should be in green color, class name, text hyphen success, M3. Margin 16 pixel gap will come. Del will say red and INS will say 350. It represents old price and new price. It represents old price and new price. Something like this. Text left I can keep, it will be helpful. For complete paragraph, we can write class name, text first, or text start, I guess. Text start and text end. This is for the alignment. It will start from where? Left side. It's coming from the left side, I think, or no? Text left is not there. Text left, 1 minute. Class name, text left or text first? What is that? Text, oh, it was text first only, hold on. Text first. Start here. Text start and text end. There is a 2 tag. Text end will appear in the right side. Text start will appear in the left side. Now below there will be a button called buy now. Add to cart. Class name. BTN hyphen. BTN hyphen danger. BTN hyphen SM. And here we can add to cart I plus symbol. Class name equal to FA hyphen plus. So add to cart symbol will appear there. Okay, ready?
Sir, for me, the image is coming to the entire page, sir.
Check the class. Class, what you have given the class name.
Call G3, sir.
Class name is not college name MG3. I'm talking about this one.
Oh, image fluid rounded, sir.
After image fluid, a space is there before rounded. Have you given a space?
Yes. Yeah, now it's working, sir. I've given the icon. Okay.
Okay, so it look like this. Add to cart. So the product list will come here like this. Multiple product will have and old price, new price. Add to cart button. Once you click on that, it will go to the cart. From cart, we can see what are the items we have added. Now this call LG3, you will copy and paste 4 times, 3 more times. This call LG3, copy and paste 3 more times. And change the photo, change the price, change this one. Just it is a static, it is a static. We will be making as a dynamic and all. Container. Hope you got one photo. Call LG3, please copy and paste 3-4 times. If one image is coming, this it got repeated how many times? 3 times. One already there, keep 3 more times. So total how many will come? 4 product will come in one line. Total 4 products should come in one line. There we can change the photos, name and everything. These all will come dynamic. From where? From the backend, from JSON server. So navigation is ready and add to cart. Page, static page is ready. Next, after that, so let it be same item, no need to change because you are not going to continue with this. You have to change it later. So why to put effort now? Let it be only same photo, copy paste 4 times. It will look like this. Later we can change it. Okay, once we make dynamic, we can change it. Okay. So hope working for everyone. I will share you again. See, image is coming entire page. That is only problem. What is the problem? You have not followed the class here. Follow the class properly. I have shared you call LG3. Replace that. Okay, let me send you the SRC again. If anyone has problem, they can use the SRC folder. Okay, so this will become more attractive once it come dynamic. Okay, so we will leave here only today. Saturday I have some other class also. Tomorrow 8 o'clock. Hope you are going to log in on time. 8 to 10:30 will continue. In that, we will create the shopping, my cart, vendor login, vendor register. All the pages will create, and after that, we will add with the routing. Okay, shopping, my cart, vendor login, and vendor register. These all pages 2, 3, 4 page will create, and after that we will add under the routing. So once we click on the links, it will go to the different page, and different kind of page will appear. Then we will go for the admin section. For admin vendor who will register, for him also we need to display the order list. For him also we need to display the product list. For him also we need to display the login register. So that is the one section. Okay. So that will be the next level. Once the design is done, then we will set up the JSON server, and through API, we will bring the data and display inside the project. Add to cart, my cart, and then all will happen. Okay. So 3 to 4 weekend it will take to finish complete. And if you are attending properly, everything systematically, if you are going, then you will understand complete flow. But if you do here, there, today log in, tomorrow not log in, coming after 2 hours, log out in between,